Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Winda Fitricia Renta. I'm a graduate student in the English Education Program at Indraprastha PGRI University. In this presentation, I'm going to talk about public speaking in EFL, teaching students to speak with confidence. This presentation consists of introduction, what is public speaking in EFL, public speaking as an essential skill for EFL learners, challenges of public speaking in the EFL context, strategies for teaching public speaking in EFL, and conclusion. To begin with, speaking is one of the core skills in English as a foreign language learning. Speaking allows the students to practice vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation in real time. Speaking also needs students to actively use the language rather than only understand it passively. Public speaking is commonly practiced in EFL classrooms, such as presentations, group discussions, and speeches. Speaking in front of public needs confidence, making it challenges both in linguistics and also in psychology. However, many learners are reluctant to speak in public because they are afraid of making mistakes and being judged by others. After explaining about speaking and the issue confidence, I will explain the definition of public speaking in EFL. Public speaking in EFL refers to structured oral communication. It requires the student to organize and communicate their ideas clearly. Public speaking also means speaking in front of the audience, in front of their classmates and their teachers. Public speaking focuses on meaning and clarity. As long as the students can communicate their ideas clearly, successful communication is reached. Next, what I'm going to discuss is the importance of public speaking. Public speaking is an essential skill for EFL learners because firstly, it builds communication and critical thinking skill. By speaking in public, students need to organize and communicate their ideas clearly. They also are encouraged to speak about their opinions in critical way. Public speaking is also important as it prepares students for academic and professional contexts. Skills such as presenting ideas clearly, expressing opinions, and speaking confidently are required in university presentation, job interviews, and future workplace communication. Next, I'm going to talk about the challenge of public speaking in EFL context. One of the major challenges is students are afraid of making mistakes. They worry about the grammatical or vocabulary errors that will make them look incompetent. Another challenge is their anxiety about pronunciation and grammar. They are afraid to make grammatical mistake and also pronunciation errors because it will make them look incompetent. And then they are also afraid of making mistakes because they are afraid of being judged by their teachers and also by their peers. Next, What I'm going to talk about is the strategies for teaching public speaking in EFL. First, teacher can create a supportive and safe classroom environment. Because when students feel welcome, safe, they are willing to participate and to speak in English in public with confidence. Second, teacher can use structured speaking activity, clear speaking framework, guided presentation, and preparation time will help them to speak with confidence. And then, teachers can also provide positive and constructive feedback by focusing on student strength and also supportive corrections can make students speak confidently. After this discussion, I will talk about the conclusion of this presentation. So, in conclusion, public speaking is an essential skill in EFL learning because it supports meaningful and active use of language. Confidence strongly influences student speaking performance, as confident students are more willing to communicate and speak their ideas. Teachers help build confidence through effective speaking strategies and also supportive teaching practices. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.